Nikhil Sharma, please come in. The simple point I'm trying to make is that Shami or Sarfaraz Khan, they are good players. There is no doubt about that. But at this point of time, there are better players than them. It's as simple as that.
Hi Shreya, thank you for having me on this debate. Though it pains me a lot that for something as important as sports, we are bringing up the religion topic here. It's a long conversation. As far as Gautam Gambhir is concerned, we might not agree with him on a lot of things. Trust you me, religion is not one of them, especially on the cricket field, because the guy is, my honorable co-panelist said he never made runs. I think if you go back to the ODI World Cup finals and find out who scored the maximum number of goals and won maximum number of runs and won India the match, a certain Gautam Gambhir's name will come up. Who won KKR their initial matches? A certain Gautam Gambhir, those titles as a captain. Who were the main players there? Amongst the 5 players, you will find 2 of them, Yusuf Pathan and Saqib Hassan, as the main players that he pushed forward. As far as Shami is concerned, unfortunately, fantastic player, injured, was a key member. As far as Siraj is concerned, I think Gautam Gambhir prefers him in the tests and the ODIs.
Correct.
Not necessarily the T20.
Correct.
And as far as Sarfaraz is concerned, he was played in the tests. I don't think he's in a form to even play IPL, but he was picked late. So from a sports angle, India has a lot of talent. Mind you, for all my disagreements with what Gautam Gambhir has done, if there's any player who should have felt slightly slighted, it was Akshar Patel and not nobody else.
Correct.
If there's any player who would have felt that I should have played instead of Washington Sundar, it would have only been Akshar Patel, because he had got 6 wickets. Washington Sundar hasn't worked. No other player at this point in time merits an inclusion in the Indian team. And we're talking about Shubman Gill, we're talking about Rohit Sharma.
जवाब दे दीजिए.
The list is endless.
Nikhil is a sports commentator. Nikhil BJP को नहीं belong करते हैं. Nikhil is a sports commentator, and he's listed reasons why these 3 players are not in the team. They are not playing in the team right now. I mean, if the AIMIM's logic is to hold, can Shubman Gill stand up? Can Shubman Gill today stand up and say, I'm not playing in this team because I'm a Sikh and Gautam Gambhir doesn't like Sikhs? What will Akshar Patel say? That I'm not included in this team because I'm a Hindu and Gautam Gambhir doesn't like Hindus. सोच तो लीजिए बोल क्या रहे हैं.
मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहता हूं कि खेल एक अलग फील्ड है. वहां पर देश को जिस प्रकार से रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए, यहाँ पर आप देखिए कि किस तरह से हमारी राजनीति का स्तर गिर गया है कि 2 कप्तानों को हाथ मिलाने के लिए भी बताइए राजनीति की जा रही है. वहां पाकिस्तान को हमारे खेल से जवाब दिया जा रहा है. जब खेल की भावना की बात आती है तो हमें ये मैदान सिर्फ बल्ले और बॉल के बीच में रहना चाहिए. वहां से संदेश क्या दिया जा रहा है, वो उनका बाइकआउट कर रहे हैं, वो उनका. अरे साहब, आपने खेल को कहां खेल रहने दिया? आपने तो अपनी राजनीति का मैदान बनाकर पूरे विश्व में हमारा जो सर झुकाने का प्रयास किया है कि हमारा जो क्रिकेट मैदान है वो राजनीति का मैदान बना दिया गया है. यही तो एक कहीं ना कहीं वो टी से जो बार बार उठ के आती है. क्या इनकी मंशा है? जो पैनलिस्ट हैं, जो सेलेक्टर्स हैं, जो ICICI के BCI के जो हमारे जय शाह साहब हैं, ये क्या हो रहा है? अमित शाह जो है,
आपका लॉजिक ही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. आपका लॉजिक ही मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. पहले आप 3 प्लेयर्स की रिलीजन लेके आते हैं, फिर आप पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश और हैंडशेक की बात ले आते हैं. इंडिया ने अपना एक स्टैंड लिया, नहीं करेंगे हम हैंडशेक.
मैडम, आप मेरे सवाल की गंभीरता को नहीं समझ पा रही हैं. मैं वही कहना चाह रहा हूं.
चलिए डॉक्टर एक बात बताइए, एंड कपीश जी, इवन यू कैन कम इन हियर. इफ आई एम the coach of a team, what is my number 1 goal? My number